In today's digital age, credit cards have become a staple in our wallets. But how much do you really know about these powerful pieces of plastic? Hello and welcome. I'm Nerf, and today we're unraveling the mysterious mysteries of credit cards. Whether you're getting your first credit or your first actual curiosity about them, we've kind of got you covered on this subject. A credit card is more than just a payment method. It's a financial tool that, when used responsibly, can definitely help build your credit history. Let's start with the basics. A credit card gives you access to a line of credit from your issuer, allowing you to make a purchase up to a certain limit. You can use it for shopping, paying bills, or even withdrawing cash, known as a cash advance. But remember, it's not free money. At the end of each billing cycle, you'll receive a statement with all of your transactions, and it's crucial to pay at least the minimum due to maintain good credit. If you don't pay the full balance, interest will accrue. Your APR, or annual percentage rate, determines the interest you'll pay on any carried balance. And what about rewards? Many credit cards offer points, miles, or cashback, making them a smart way to learn on your everyday spending. In addition to this, to avoid interest, pay your balance in full each month during the grace period, which is a time between your purchase and the payment due dates. So, are credit cards for you? They can definitely be a powerful ally for your finances if you use them wisely. Thanks for joining us on this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more financial wisdom from my new channel that is called Learn Money. Until next time, keep swiping smart. Respect.